So we are videoing again. Let us see what the sign says. Ready park. So we're getting this beautiful view. Yes, I got it. So yes, we're here again. Enjoy.
Low-Islandville, the cotton tree, that's a landmark for Low-Islandville.
He doesn't know what.
It's a cotton tree. See, boat, see ship with no boat there. You understand? That's a cane field. You can see
So
some
this
that
is our tour guide. He
can see
doesn't
some-
know much, but he's our tour guide.
you can see some that are reaped already, some that is springing up, and some that they are not reaping.
Alright.
Oh, that's a young cane field that just reap and it's going back. Within the next 6 months, it's ready to reap again.
Okay. Alright,
Beautiful
let's go.
Low-Islandville, the only found in the parish of St. Catherine,
Alright, you
right
hear
beside
that?
Jamaica.
At least it's not Ochi where you need visa. Yeah. You can just drive up. Right. So, but only Jamaicans will get the Ochi joke. You know, for you guys who don't know, look it up. Where is Ochi? Alright. Nice view. Yeah, it's beautiful. So I'm here taking a view that way. So, yes, totally beautiful.
November 16, 17.